Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on the menu at the bottom right. And what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and click on the settings here at the top right, and then go ahead and click the account center or meta. And then basically in the meta, what you're going to do, you're going to see right here the password, insecurity, in personal details. Just go ahead to the personal details right here, and you're going to be able to see account ownership and control. Click on it, and basically you're going to see right here the two options, deactivation or deletion. Click on it and basically select the account that you want to deactivate. Let's say for example this one, and then you're going to continue to deactivate your account and basically continue, right? And then you're going to enter your password, and basically you're going to deactivate your account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.